Hey, Brian L here. I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to first download MetaMask. Next, I'll explain the NFT marketplaces on where to buy and sell them, how to connect your wallet to them. Then I'll show you how to view your NFTs personally, and I'll show you how to buy and sell NFTs after that. So, first things first, if you want to get into NFTs, you will go on Chrome, or you can download the MetaMask iOS app. But for this example, I'll show you Chrome. So go to metamask.io, click on download for Chrome, add to Chrome. Once it's downloaded, an extension button here will pop up, and you'll be prompted with this. Click I agree, click create a new wallet, click I agree, create a new password. Just make it whatever you want. Um, Once you have your password, make sure you remember it. Create new wallet. You'll be prompted with the secure wallet passphrase, and it's going to show you a video on what it is if you want to watch it. I'm just going to go ahead and explain it to you. So basically, just click on secure my wallet, and this is a passphrase that will allow you to access your wallet whenever you lose it. Let's say the extension gets deleted, you get a new computer, or download the iOS app for MetaMask. This is how you will recover your wallet. Make sure you don't show this to anybody. I'd recommend writing it down on a piece of paper or saving it somewhere safe. Go ahead and copy this, write it down. Once you have it written down, click on next, and it will test you to remember the passphrase. So go ahead and fill in the phrase. If anybody has this phrase, they can access your wallet. Once you have that done, click on confirm, and you'll see it was created successfully. And this will also tell you how to access it by clicking this extension up here, and done. This is just allowing alerts for the wallet. It's up to you. Now, this is the expanded view of seeing MetaMask, and then this is how you would view it normally. Right up here, it's the same thing. So first step is download MetaMask. Now you officially have MetaMask. So let's say you want to go into your MetaMask. It's going to be right here in the extensions and MetaMask. Over here, you can see it's on Ethereum mainnet. You don't have to worry about that. Right here it says not connected. Since we're on Google, we're not on an NFT marketplace website, so the wallet is not connected to the website. This will be your wallet address. You can send NFTs and crypto to this address. I've sent Ethereum to my own address many times. It works just fine. On here, you can view other items. I won't get into them. You don't need to know them. You can buy and sell Ethereum or other crypto on here and receive it. And over here shows you your balance. Now, if you click on NFTs here, it won't show you your NFTs, and I'll get to that in a second. So now that we have this down, you understand how to have MetaMask and how to open it. The next step is explaining the marketplaces. So now we'll go to Opensea. Okay, so I'll explain the marketplaces for you. The two main ones we'll talk about is Opensea and SuperRare. There are some key differences between them. If you're wondering where to sell your NFT, it depends on the type of NFT you're making. If it's a one-off art piece, one-of-a-kind art piece, I would probably do it on SuperRare. Opensea is mostly project-based NFTs. So if you've probably heard of the infamous Bored Ape Yacht Club, most of the NFTs on Opensea are project based and have a certain number of NFTs within the project. Let's say there's 10,000, like with the Bored Apes. They will be valued by their rarity and their traits. So the most rare trait will be the most expensive one. The most common will be least expensive, also known as the floor. People listing them as the floor price. People don't necessarily have to list them. So the cheapest NFT right now for Bored Apes is 45 ETH. This is the floor price right now, and it goes on. So most NFTs on Opensea are project based like this, and they're not really one off. As you can see, a lot of them are the same with different traits. So if you're looking to make a collection, it would be on Opensea like this. If you are more into the artsy style of NFTs, I would go to a marketplace like Super Rare. Super Rare has one-off pieces, and it's a little bit different from Opensea. On Opensea, you can simply just list on here with your wallet. On Super, you may have to make an account, go through a couple extra steps to list your NFT. It's all the same. Both or any marketplace actually has you connect your wallet first before you can buy or sell NFTs. So on here, I actually just switched to my account. You'll click to Metamask and you'll click on next and connect. If it ever says please sign or sign something, don't worry. That's just you accepting terms of use and your wallet address authenticating on the blockchain so that you can perform an NFT buy or sell transaction on the blockchain. So once your account is connected, you'll see your Ethereum balance and your account up here. Um, Next, I'll show you how to view your NFTs. So earlier, you probably saw on your MetaMask extension, there's a tab for NFTs. This is one way of viewing it. I'd recommend viewing it on OpenSea or on the other platform that you want to use. So you would click on Profile up top, and then here you can see all your NFTs collected. You can view them in different grids like this if you want. So here's all the NFTs that I've collected. You can go in here. You can see the offer I have for it. Um, but yeah, that's how you view your NFTs um, once it's connected. So let's say you want to buy an NFT. I'll show you how to roughly do that. So let's say you go to a marketplace and you want to buy an NFT. You click here, you click on buy now, and then this would pop up. It would ask you to sign, and then lastly you click I understand. And since I don't have enough currency, it's going to ask me to pay with a different way. You can do with MoonPay, which is with actual USD. But if you have enough Ethereum, you can buy it with just Ethereum via your wallet. So that's one way of doing it. If I went too fast, go ahead and just slow it down or ask me any questions. Another way on this website, it's very similar. So you'll click on the NFT you want, and you'll click on place bid or buy, and it's going to ask you to connect your wallet again. They all ask you to connect a wallet. Click on next and connect. And then see here, this is different. You may have to create an email and username and sign in. I'll go ahead and set this up real quick. Okay, I agree and join. Okay, signature. So this is just authenticating that you are connected to the blockchain. Click on sign, and there you go. Now you can place a bid if you want, and do so like this. And yeah, so every marketplace is different. The layout, the UI is different, but it's all the same thing. And that's one way of doing it. Let's say you want to sell, you would probably go into your profile. Oh, I guess it's gonna try to load my NFTs, but I don't have any NFTs on this marketplace. So Yep, that's kind of the basics. And if you want to sell your NFT on a specific marketplace, you would just do some research on how to list them. On OpenSea, it's very simple. Um, you go to your profile, click on the NFT that you want to sell, and then there's a big button here on OpenSea. You can click list for sale and put in the amount and then complete listing. And that would sign on the blockchain that you are listing this for sale. Until someone buys it, it will still be yours. If no one buys it in the allotted time that you put for 1 month or 1 hour or however long you want, the NFT will be back into your wallet. And there you go. That's how you would buy and sell NFTs and the difference between these markets.